about the brighter side of life, for you know, machamo hunti the for pledge no me now do dia show for ni bia me kan now do dia show hunti me Nana Kubu me Alex Boam me ofa me work capital ventures me Omanhene Kwabena Asante me shebo kan tam say for mesom ne kurem anopa awia anase anwumre na afi de se fata de ne munyambra afo bia no ana me de bedi so makacho afo subset of Ghana inti say ye disansie we pe chese Ghana ya gia to se Ghana be de se fata inti yeda honorable minister afo George Boachi yeda na CP ya kacho sa afo de amanyo sem we akopem 2023 tail end no to 2025 to aba nya amanyo sem afo biem ye pa afo mpuntu na afo kanko and mamenchia George Boachi afo minister na menchia ne able lieutenant nyina titru our potential president ebit be free afo aba era Eric Opoko animnyamfo our wisdom port Collins Dauda na aboafo bi ne animdiefo bi ti se era Bobie deputy minister sports Marashibedwani era Bano so Marashibedwani Dr. Benjamin and afi ye maame Frida Prempe. This is a formidable team afo ejina ho a ye pese ye fire to mapa ifra nana no modaroma from the House of Chiefs President Ampofo-Adjei ye jini se musu ye tawo chidindindi ye capital Omanhene ye proud of God so Omanhene mia mikrum Omanhene animunyamfo Osekofi na Kwabena na modaroma do pay ya chiamo nti yamfo jedu ne ntotro so ne Omanhene so ana afi kukum sankoy ne kasape ne mem ne ayomu sa inkura hodo nyame de adoma afo nyina no. We are proud to be coming from Afo. Just your chest out, a proud Afonian. A very, very important. Be proud of where you come from. And number chia. Achim Kwabena for anafe kumau titu abutanso ne raso for ina so machiabo. Ye betwa nkomo no so anu se mpemfo atenase. Abo Derek Ohene Bekwin so atenase. Ono so yikese isine na so da nimpa kese ono so ye bekwa konta na chi okwanso nkoso. Ohene Bekwin Dibiada, the experience, you cannot run away from it. Mensin Krachi, Member of Parliament, aside this year, into a combination of these three factors, a man who nipa, oh yeah. Obviously, Jana man on the ho, Ababe Boma go through both the good and the bad times to build a country. These are the people we continuously need in our society, so we shape with the thoughts and your visions at the mind. Honorable Kwaba.
Yeah, we just
know, BBS every
oh, Bibia than a queen. Ipo I bay on the 8th. But I'm a tattoo Java. Come here, sorry, penny.
A short penny.
Many of them this year. SD.
Yeah.
Penny. I don't come be removed.
A repay you.
So
it's another date here, that being.
Not date, no, I am an Abama or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, a year on the 8th of April.
Okay.
Yeah, 8th, 9th, 10th.
Okay.
Now, and I say sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, but never to fear than on the 8th nina at the channel pie, Memendanoa.
Okay.
Yeah, in Ufusum, a pen crabia.
Okay.
Ya trance nay.
Okay.
You are Bamcrum. A Bamcrum, say, Upper West Atimoa is part of a honey crew, I'm a film.
Okay.
A Bamco, I say, a brofudini cocoa.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, no qua. My secretary, I was several years in party, no, I changed the constituency. Ura dance so.
Yeah.
I'm be opportunity. Yeah. Was some party, no, since on the party in there from 1992, but he was part of the program, the revolution program.
Okay.
A KDA or some of various capacities.
Okay.
By a party secretary, the longest serving secretary in Upper West Atimoa.
Oh, wow.
Ura dance so. Honestly, I'm the first week in April. No.
Okay.
Na yebe peno krabia wo adesu.
Okay.
Yeah, constituency na hinkro. Nti ma ndisi fu nyina yakọ. Abra ye na aba mo to so enum ye na yi wa aba mo no. Ye wie ye nua dan so som de no a. Na ye kọ aba mo krom. Na ma himu nyina yakọ jame.
Yes.
Yakọ pe na aba ma.
Very important.
Yeah. Yakọ peno krabia.
Okay, honorable Toby Darcy, I pay a channel through or multimedia had him say. They be Adam come say one of the useful people are more parliament and normal committees or more so Ghana have a feel of relevance in terms of our committee so still Kwana why free Marashibedwam no for a temporal moment. That one, of course, will assure me say it's for a temporal moment. I see. I want to carry na. When I worry back, you know, also
with the Martinin. The first man I say Martinin.
I know. All my pay. Also, Kwabena for a temporal period. I would say, me man for no Montino maybe I say. I'm sure they say there. Omuguso mo yen wo. What Kwaba?
Yeah, no me
yeah. That's a pass a short notice be out
me that's
yeah.
Me chia wait for.
Yes.
Na me chia. Na saying what day you be aba. Ya say asempa.
Yeah.
Any
Adom FM.
Yeah. So we show program na say okay your commentary go. Me pe commentary. You see say yen nipa ni nyina to say yeah, you see Odo be kwe be Canada. Me so me camera.
Yes.
But you see you obi ogina mfimfi.
I know to me boy man nyina.
Last ni wa football na anya do. Enti ye bo abaso. Na mama me nua ba kun so due.
Yeah.
Man shedding.
Yeah.
Na me see dey.
Yeah.
You we say ukwasu aba ona bo ba kun kwasu so
Yeah.
Ohimia na o na me achiba. Me ma me ba, me papa ba. Ho na me ma me fi na obe ware wa yensu ano.
Okay.
Ye di wo fade nti. Me ni ade wa yensu ano traditional
to about.
media de wo na me pese be ha be ba am ka me ba ya last time na me wo fa na me nua bia na hin aka ba bi o bo atakora fi
Yeah. Na me assembly na.
ya say na no ho fa
As a man gets.
obayare ya
Yeah.
na atakora ada ne benku
Nice man.
nera na abusia no dadadi nti ye nyina me ho hyeden enye politics anka the next of kin de anka me na wase be question so ayensu anofo asega fra me biem see me samara den pa him den party for
Our fraud
den one say
Those are meaningful here, right?
me I don't believe you say I was say who force who to serve the people ti di pe kun to kwa we bi du abo bi ti who kwa koso amanfo no it means yen to aba unya majority na say the majority of the people in the constituency person will be some.
Okay.
Nti ade dey so ko baba ade ti na wo say ko ti soja fu gidigidi yen to na makoma system no nya adwuma ayensu ano ye start your police station elections ye wie BBNC coordinatorship BBNC na on ma de bi amede mejai be ka kire amanfo na party fo na to aba na si se mo pese me san ba bi mu dia the pro IAP for now a party you should retain them, and in fact they have retained more than 90% of them. This is about constituency elections. The pro IAP people in the constituency level retain them. When you retain them, this means you want me to come. There were 27 electoral areas. But there were 25 of them who are pro IAP. So that is the calling.
Pro no the other.
Make sure say.
Pro IAP.
Democracy pro.
Yes, some democracy there's a pro. Whether I like it or not, NDC pro Mahama and pro others.
Democracy pro.
And pro.
Yeah, that's very true.
So what pro. The pro line is there.
Yeah.
The line is the pro.
Yeah,
It's true.
And
we would do your modern, maximum number come. We would do your modern.
The pro IAP people no be no work constituency level. Nti about constituency elections next month. If you want IAP to come, make sure that the pro IAP people will be the majority. Then it is a clean call.
Oh. Wow. I see now. We party in Sema Ghana.
Yes.
I BBB ho.
Yes, I said yeah. Mami chair na do dan Kwakufado. Ni Ura Bawumia. Any MPP party.
So what in Krana NDC flag bride there mama say mo fa hwe Bawumia man. Otukwana.
Ontukwan ye. Na no.
Na ye bi say no.
No pedua.
No pedua
Okopedua de.
Ko hu IGP ko GKs.
Okopedua se lodge. E ma yekuhia akwadwendwene.
Na say Adjei lecture or one.
Onyaye Obama. Very soon. A new lecture.
I said why you when you to
Obama.
No, obetumi de.
Okasa na go fa bekwen no yam tihye wo. Enti but encho bekasa.
Okay, good.
Na bechia na apamfo nyina ministers. wokoshia wo padua the party for the economic gurus in our party wokoshia wo padua adwendwene kwan de economic hardship no befa so Nana Addo dan Akufo-Addo no ye president eja atom say you ahokyere wo finance minister ajatum Dr. Bawumia wajatum MPP party no the chairman Blay John Boadus ye nyina communicators government communicators ya jatum say ahokyere ba ahokyere efin ahokyere bi fi kwan a ye faso and manage the economy of this country from Kwame Nkrumah to Nana Addo dan Akufo-Addo eka ho den ti na mekansa if he say sanka ye na tema oil refinery eye adwuma na ka crude oil kakra ya yenya ewo yen source na wo Jubilee ni 10 whatever the experts will call it ye kofa ho ye left and they better fine ewo to anka dollar cedi rate in exchange rate be say dem kura anka en kanyen bebre se na na ekanyen san se crude oil a yanko import to enfi be bia na ye better fine ewa but yanya sa na na metie expert bi o si ye hia $200 million ye the $100 million very tool to near the 100 million so Accra crude near refine. Na me be say no honorable setape I can say over $250 million bia na eda UBA sa time no na program bia na security say bibia there's no budget for that money. E me kura me call parliament the question ko to for say sadia lord kwanya efi Apofo-Adjei Junction and I say if you kwafu krom kopma Apofo-Adjei Junction ni ehia 60 million Ghana cedis no dollars ni eda ko wie sa akwan it is a budget bi and access council na ko to UBA dia anke yenko yibi ni efa anya sa akwan ni pu kwan no sododo o say wo woni awade beye na me ni say wo be yimu $200 million ni eda ko retool Tamayo refinery enti na make say enye uf the subo we internal crisis no and that crisis ayenyen na efi internally urban so all the taso bo no kwa bo aban we a enyi and I also ya ban no ya kwaji $2.5 billion okay 2017 it is crisis man say into ya kwaji scan ye mu 200 million and the tool Tamayo refinery and the be crack crude and can ne ebe hiti en kura na hiti en sanya hiti en nti na kofo ebo mo de manage economy ya yanka 9 billion. The NDC buy no say 9 billion. Mama yen safeguard yen debt. Inti me make say yenya act of parliament and as yen fashi yen constitution say aban bia no betuma bobo say abepe 150 billion. See ebe ya economists in dwendwen ho. Na yetumi kukuru 9 billion. The be 222 billion. Now for 122 billion, about 300 and something billion. Na finance ministers no. Me kura me here juba me jebo so market ya no. So me kwaji sika o bank a me hwe say me bosi a me je no 40% of my income. Into we hit 60% of your income, 68% of your income. That's debt to GDP ratio. Ni ya 73%. You do you this is your 80% range. M1. See, we can reverse it. And we are one aspect of the crisis which we are facing. Number two, external shocks. And then we are John Mahamo. We are Nana Addo dan Akufo-Addo. We are, there's little you can do about it. And we are external crisis. Ukraine and Russia are control. Russia produce about 11% of the world crude oil. Before then, na COVID aba ama OPEC countries na woman a hit woman a kick woman to the point to say at times na crude oil $32 per barrel and $32 per barrel no wonga boka it's not OPEC as I'm a ceiling on production of crude oil and as somebody months na ntoko ya start Ukraine crude no emba Russia crude no so but the sanctions are to once into omba, and they hit the price of crude oil. Into say siano, na Kwabena say, fuel no so bokosra. Na every commodity on the market, and so bokosra. Because talk be 2019, so be out of car now na December. It be fact because the car no agent na oyi cars no. Let us say me ticket me say what a car. Na me man filling station. Me kwara me say me light na so. To me man filling station that was 2019. I me say mo fill me tank na mama. Me fill na 350 Ghana cedis plus. Nira. Me na man guys say on this obi che me sika kra me say. Me do me say sika the first thing is when you are mobile you can work for more money. Until me say sika have to fill my tank. Johanna me say munko gina ho. Jam 600 Ghana cedis plus. Number tank in the year. From 2019 to date. And no, Ebasana, there's little the government can do about it. Little no enemy yako shia. Ewo pedua. I had that to him. Number one, Argentina exchange rate no akosoro sa. Akosoro because dollar ni ebi ni ho. Are scarce in the market. It can kind of honor. What is no banks no and the forest bureaus no at the buato into our banks. Sadia, you flow to $2 billion into system. Ghana you be a person to dollar this year, no create artificial shortage, whatever it is, you can't buy $2 billion. Two, you say a pump $2 billion into the system. When you say you now also say be pump $2 billion, yeah, rate na started. What I want to say, you know, will be if you say pull back into the market. Until $2 billion be to me a good market within a very short time. To auction the $2 billion through Bank of Ghana, and how they pump that money into the forex market. Ebasana rate in Babafem. Ebafema and number 3. Ebianka sankasa bu ayedin globally. Baby na me read US, Germany of all. What's the film that work on Second World War? The whole world. Ukraine and Russia and they produce in the Kasapa. But 80% come from Ukraine and Russia. It's in yes you hon. To say opi pe oats anoma. Sanoma na the process. Why? And I also time was see a dua no buy no in every biara season be dua ye dua no ba bia no na nema buy the market, especially the cereals. Inti ye ko shia wo pedua no instructions back when say ye work food items be it me impossible country, but I just say agric minister mo approval. Inti me the agric minister enko trance no hwe say ye bro na ho ayedin say sorghum say rice eduana ye staple food wo Ghana ha a ehwa ayedin no on organize importers no na omo approval no fa bi mra no so betumi abo. But the question is what kwa aba no baby kwa fa na gasa aba no so no so no bra problem. In terms of we can do something about it, yes, but little. Ntia no so ye behwe si yenya baby a aduan no budwo kakra ye bekwa akofa omo ene ebro aba. Since yen staple food ye rice, maize, banche cassava, plantain, those things ne de ye betumi produce wa make plantain ne yam ne ayi no. Nti the season ni dua ebe ye. Nti nia ye kan nyina ne se Ghana funya abotre ma yen. Se emere down ho a na so wa down ho bi. Say ye were about 16 flagship programs bi a ye de buy say Ghana for to abama yen a e de baba na Ghana for ho ha wo. Ebi a free senior high school. Ebi a planting for food and jobs. Ebi a one district one factory. Some ya near ma kwa nti. Sa programs yi ye de batu table so. Ni ahwe say in sakra ben ni ebetumi di abamu. Na ma for ho ha won. It's say menti asesa anka wo ba a pass school be ko St. Augustine. Ube hia be 3,000 Ghana cedis. Aban se ma fa sika. Na ahochire kakra ba. We say abank yes shimo. Okay. Abank se sadia. Me scenario yes ana abank ba be. Just a scenario. Okay, se sadia. Sika na mitu ama 3,000 na mafa. Me de kwa subsidize fuel. Nam di bi abe flow $2 ego system no. No wa hwese obenya 3,000 do ba.
Did mu use that word review ni bi?
Oh yes, and yeah, review not review now. Definition of the review Mahama Ekani. And you know something eka. Ono no kan at the time of reviewer na ye ho atoyen. Na sika wo ho. Na esi enfesika ne bi nkobua.
No, the MPP.
Ne yanko school.
Honorable, the MPP should be very careful. If they are using review for the free SHS, the MPP should be extremely careful and they should be worried.
Review
no, Meba. Whichever way, there is a review.
Yes, but it's not a review, but disadvantage.
But
the beneficiaries.
Mahama did not even explain detailed review. He called for a relook of...
He called for caution.
Oh, but
let us review and allow those who can pay to pay. That's what he said.
Amongst those options, I be more considered. I'm a finance minister in his personal capacity, not in his capacity as then the finance minister. A suggestion here was in line with what the flag bearer of the NDC suggested.
Plus
other things.
But China review.
But if you admit
this review,
Obia Oko nim na edu baby as say wo hwe nim kono esinto ewom na o kan wasem ya. What is wrong? Why do you bastardize and praise it today?
There's no way you can run a program like free senior high school
without review.
Continuously for 3-4 years without review. You can't do that.
But exactly the same.
You see, the beginning of the program is Yanko review.
Wow.
Yes, because you can't run the program continuously for 3-4 years without looking at it. Let us face facts.
It is a fact.
Program especially you are running a program. Capital intensive. Capital intensive. Next program now run a capital intensive. No hardship. Abbas Ghana. What you going to do if the
you need to go back to the table and check what you can do.
Exactly.
Okay, so
that is what we are going to do.
I agree perfectly.
Nobody can dictate for us. But Mahama is not dictating for us. But the time, the time Ghana for to Obama and Nado Danko Kufuado and Abai. And now young programs.
Okay, so
now programs now you're running programs for almost 4 years.
And I'm who says
Sakrayaba. Until see along the line. You better review program.
So that's perfect. I'm saying that, but for the records, John Mahama did not say or call for review the first term or second term of Mwadi.
No, program didn't start here trying to kick against it.
No.
When we were in opposition.
No,
when we were in opposition, they kick against it.
We've jumped past that conversation.
Yes.
It was not even kicking again, it was approach. Somebody believed that time was not yet ripe. The other person believed that if we say we are waiting for time, we can never
start.
So we should start it.
Exactly, and that's what happened. So you are starting, baby. No program. We are running for some time. Hey, I'm sure. JHS system.
Yeah.
See, I reviewed so many times.
Okay,
so many times.
First week in April, yeah, Penny Caribbean, yeah, you John Dramani Mahama. Kanaman Penny, Yaminko someone home by no issue. When is your who any daching who no more? Yamedia don't know qua.
John
Dramani Mahama. Ay, Omanhene Mpensenpensemu brand me who 30 ni penami comment. And then Omanhene Akufo-Adjei say yentwa free SHS.
There be on cancer.
On cancer.
There be.
Oh, no say any.
In
review. John Mahama kasi review no. Omanhene ma Akufo-Adjei o che asese
yentwam.
O se John Mahama si yentwam. Enti e dana se no so si yentwam. Ghana for pe ono ani nkyire mu no. Enne Omanhene Nana Akufo-Adjei so say yentwa free SHS.
And for body into your bonnet.
Oh, me for body into the same bro for review no. Spell is na me yade kakra. School. REVIEW review no. Omanhene John Dramani Mahama kan Nana Adodanko Akufo-Adjei president. Ekira se kire Ghana for say Omanhene John Dramani Mahama say yentwa free SHS mu no. Ene Omanhene Nana Adodanko Akufo-Adjei say ye review Ghana for ni odi buy no you say yintwam so say you asete when okasa yina I'm not going me be fa ne de pe ne de nkomo when say na me nua ye pe obre o talk o kan say dey o see yenko yeto ansa na yen exchange rate no yetumi aka wan say
yen fam up tall as Omanhene.
That's it. Good suggestion. Yet your name ha and a vice president Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia. Our candidate was when your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will do what? Will expose you. Or see where economy will buy no want to twin ne papa. Exchange rate ne mini a penny I pay say yanko yeto and sana jinano. Omanhene abedi etri Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia. Or see say want to twin no enkoyia. Ebede wodi nti won toto ne wa ban mu na nkonyam na mekan
apa
omontuma say omonyade yeti o memu ana covid ba e ba wiase nyina yinkwan amofa so sika hodo amkoji World Bank 1 billion achede 1 billion bosia Mobile Bank of Ghana mukoyako stabilization fund munni ani daso wonti yakofa ni nyina di Ghana ndwuma me sure Jam Franco mutu abi ebo futuo de man we say yan fan covid musai ni nyina pasa na mabu nkonta mato agu say mo maye bu nkonta parliament minority akobi senti Ghana ko covid Benin ko covid Nigeria ko covid Ivory Coast ko covid Senegal ko covid go and look at their economies and look at Ghanaian economy musura you have the men mama a good reference kona ko these countries when economy say won kwanga eyina ye nyina ko mu no ye buy no won so when economy na gija senya Ghana de gija na ene Ghana ye see ye show man a ne sika sam ato ape ne ye say de sebe sa word ni me yusu nke fata me yusu enko ye kura Africa ha ye to so an say ni twato na nke last but one. These are the men that we have in MPP. Adina mu ye no mu hu ano ne me ye say mu se mu ko e friend say pedu as lodge eni ponse wo se dachi mu nya bi na odia odi bi sie na bre mu ye din ba no e ba wo don sa ko e den akoka e na ye de mra e di stabilization fund e di tiwo da ben crude oil Ukraine semi cost so e hiti 136 and na abanam 90s selamu hu kura mo de botoshim bottom of the crashing. We had the stabilization fund. And then you can say, BB stabilization and recovery fund that HSN. You for way and to Omanhene don't money mama. Say yen sika yenya. Ewa petrol say my bra yenya binu. Yen fe bin to. Na den yadaba. Na petrol sam nya de e kosroa. Na yen manfo no yedi jawa na yedi asoa. Edu bibia yen manfo no ntumi ngina no a yen cover recovery ni akofa na de be so wase ubedi ni nyina ka covid scan ene se scan wo ho a anka ban upe bi obabi so na wo de be so nkof because nia edu no yen tena yen be sie ewo di za we na me hu bono the what's the
deregulation
asane kan no that's it ye siachi but edumre yes ye cushion Ghanaians it is a John Dramani Mahama president elisi ade hu na odi ye force kan bi ko to nchen no abanya onim nia oya ene o say na de won say won ko to na wa ya ansa na ya ho beto yen da ben na ye tebia we 1 point piece kan hwemu ye ma first kan nyina ma iden ma fanye di tani aban boni amumbu mambu ni ye ene ma Ghana fo ye ko sa activity bia yi mu hwene ne yen sidi ni dollar ni ahwene akodu afi na ma hu say monetary yi mo be raise yi na akosoro. You saw the signs out there. Amunim say do brea ye increase rate no na ma lending enye din kakra number yen so yen sika samanya attractive yen hu brea na wonoma I invest in terms of portfolios e wo kroma no America dey one dey ba pepe no be lucrative no mu yi wo investment if kroma e den e ko that time na mo policy rate any number bia wo no ball kra enye yi as economists in economy managing an economy no timing is of the essence. When we are in the global world, America are major trading partners. And one of most of the investments, if you buy money, won't raise Biden, raise and Nema Ohono. You saw say investors say wo kromano, $81 in a day, when we use a keko. Yet then you're more any attractive. One year ton the idea of microwave, Micoton, many to this cities. Now also better 10 cities to the middle of water. The managers of this economy that they call themselves experts couldn't see that timing.
Okay, Yao, Alex Tufo or Germany, or disagree with you, or
An opinion. Or an opinion.
Tell the Honorable NDC communicator that the whole world is now facing economic problems. Nigerians are lining up for fuel, and even in Germany, common cooking oil is hard to get in the store.
Are we lining up for fuel over here?
He's painting a picture for...
Please.
He's painting,
Don't come in.
He's painting a picture of the reality and the times that we find ourselves in.
We are looking at the management of our exchange rate in this country. Look at Germany, the main supply of their gas, and even. It is directly from Russia. Nekasia, one gas, so when we effect at this time that Russia is at war.
It's no news.
It's no news.
You can try, Umbra.
I was here with the Reverend Kwabena Aida. Me Gidi said, you do me na when it your videos, your talk shows, need to make dinner. Then the hear me partners send a bay hour Sabaka to me 24/7. One bell, what their punches. Sabel, punches up, my punches up, punches of you. That's some punches of you. O punches who are 24/7 to make dinner. A shasha, kikro, now on Saka, and follow us and share the page. For commenting now, so to when I mean share.
Well, we call them say a bit quickly. My main cow say Nyame adma a bit doing komo yi. Apiati home komo no. People are taking advantage and abusing the system. Ghana de bibia to kuro beba beda ho ani power onye mu bia to be person odi asisi ne kro no ekoso no. Yeah, monye careful. Sika bia ne nyoma bia ekoho bia no. It's for a purpose, a libre womb. You know, so if you think you can be smarter than the system, be careful. So happy at the more supervising, when careful. We have a noble committee here setting up, and you're more seminar making more grounds for no, you know, when you're careful. Not mufoni binum, any crew mpeyufoni binum. You know, when you're careful, more collaboration and more person more outsmart, you know, when you're careful. We have certain pointers where actually say a binum person will take advantage of the system and abuse the system and take advantage of the vulnerable. When you're careful, crisis next year or mining and I solve one man. Oh, Hona, oh, the Ashias Yenda. I mean, count here, Binum. Oh, we are for Pierre Benito. All right, pay.
Well, Minia, near your kind of say your fashion project said about the beer new ha.
The word was and continues to be review. So we are looking forward to the review.
Yeah, you're reviewing about you see the definition of our review.
No,
the review about protecting the progress.
Protecting the programs and the projects.
Protecting it. To protect
not cancelling the
exactly. So na you know say omoye no. Na ni America na media wie ni say kutu nyantan to me cancer and sense in hu etum.
Kutu nyantan.
You.
The pot calling the kettle black.
Black. What be there the 8 years? Okwa the economy no Adom Hamo. Economy ni Jane in sem. Ma or the command IMF the conditions ebe 2 years so. Say you to me nipa na metie no that last time okase won ka say bi okoma lectures no full lecture o say the nipa egwo youth nya adwuma anye for Christ's sake system kura na say we training nurses and teachers and nurses and doctors you training we are more direct employment ye ba na over 100,000 of nurses and teachers no mu fie ye na be do be share adwuma did I say no kan hwe Ghana fo aso ansa nti ye pese ye kan no man pehene dada Adom Hamati asese enya de Ghana fo are you ready say what sound never be the president be. Now you see they will laugh at the wrong side of their mouth. Don't me tell honorable Setekwe. But see, you can't run an economy for 4 years without crisis. Run is nyabi. Kufo nyabi. Mills Mahama in a crisis within the period. Nana do that Kufado. Yentia ye say. Yen then Abba at the early stage of our last and the first term, year of the second term. And we have 2.5 good years to make amends. Ye were in Frisia Porpora being a fan. Ye bet to me SCSC Niama. Na Senior President Akanchire. By the end of 2022, Nasa near you must say, Yesim. Nagana SCC Council. Nesika Becrum. Nagana no be a tono near the about to acquisition 2024. Number one, Sanya Wangakasa, the one no one nam through our radio ni TV ahoroso. Si wanga power no. Ya tutu de ama wie na Ghana fo ho ha won. Ni ya to aba. Wo hwe no anga se wanga wi won. Okay. San se obi anya ready sa aba no be wiem. Ya beto no fan. Ya di enti ayo kofo de ne ba na 2008. Mahama ede by 2015 2016 year beto aba. Yan crisis yaba 2021 2022. See to me manage crisis near the question about 2 million lose got ourselves to be blamed. Na me can say ye better to niama ama Ghana ni bia ho atono ye kwoto aba. Na MPP will form the next government in 2025.
All right, honorable IP Medasi, the Queen.
Many be Mandasi. Me sent ya mampeni John Dramani Mahama Bio.
Ye mampeni ye Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo.
Ni oba mfanso suma ni oba ni osika baby o mama kasa mama kasa isi kasa ora omampani up to 2016 a osama baby o ka kire won say o me yanko hwe police pani nko hwe ora ba o mia baby owo no isi se wo bebu man na wo de kontompo ye pani bi your offense constituency no your outreach program anytime near call Krubi Sukron Kenan near Openibi your Kasara Samna or Kache ye nipa cause she se wusum kontompo fidia enyu kasatente sa kontompo fidi na what see in nada and in true you find your politics you be exposed Olaji Baumu Mamudu Baumia ebe Johnson yendi sidi no kwa dollar no wache no kwa na koto enyo bi na kama no the economic measure the one economic measure no and on kan economy one sem bio no and then was a video landing drone a video drone hu komo na odi ene sidi ni 11 be gana di benate nka we kire say wan kasa wan di atumu say ayi nwurada sam no ene nkontompo ni nsam obekan wa ban ni manye no kware obekete Ghana for the same day watch dollar no kwad na ba IGP nti Ghana cedi di ejina pintin ene what's your converse dollar ni hu yi ana na dollar ni trio no ankasa ba omian share sales wo no tuni mu on do two ba omian mu sales no wa vaki na ma IGP nti na ye hu no en dollar na trio no ba omian share dem Owenfa obi o say I work at the Bank of Ghana me ye ma Bank of Ghana yet tisikaso ye nimni nyina ba bia wo mamu de oyi ora ba umya wo ifa eno ni Ghana fo ehu na da ni trosam a papa na no kati ora ba Mahama ye da si ye hu IGP kura ye hu kisi no because dollar na tre ba umya ni share dan mu no wa fa kisi na ma IGP nti Ghana fo beboa ene aho kire ye den ye wo mu no se dollar ni pie kakra. This is a government that we are speaking. Today you are using the word review. You are more economic minister. I can't review. We need to review the policy. We say we need more obini. Any money, any Ghana for net, any ahuche. Shani ne petrol go do. Na danko me tie ni old AEB our opposition. Petrol no mu to me talk. me baba betete petro no so ama to
international
what nenya crisis
Nigeria for Asante Nigeria what's like that Nigeria Asante na wo dia Asante nearby country me make an obi attest we for Germany correct me I catch them say you can die na German kura no why you think
me na me catch na do
one baby enta
me na me catch na do
inti ya the ready as say
abra na do dan kwa edin Ghana obedina ho be catch Ghana fo say petrol no mutumi to
na yan so line top
next time you do ha what do you know I can do it better I can do it better what you know I think you know me
honorable MP
mami kasa I can do it better next time we shall
honorable MP
mami kama Ghana ni bia nim say Nana aduda ukasa
correspond our brain echo
Nana dan ko be gina be catch Ghana for say president atam oyo opposition leader be catch yen say petrol no mutumi to me baba betete so na matumi ato petrol o mete so e be do ni
e be perfect
okay no dey na e crisis e crisis
efiasedro
ye your leader dey yanda ni ehu say wo gina pinti say wo bomodin anya wo ba mbada no ato no phone obi mama etu petrol ni bi aka ho mo ba eno ne mo wan nim guase because when they came in the first
so Nana Okojiman Kwesi Nana Machi Edamu nyina amase Nana no ma montwe mo ho mfiri Ghana mamu no ese yaso be hye ede si me do ma yene Kwabena Asante onyame dom ya echina ye beba no so ye kwaba